Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I will show you how to change your header on page scroll like this. Okay, so like this, you can see that I have this header at the first, and when I scroll the page little bit, my header will change, and also all the designs are also changed. Okay, so let's start the video, and we're gonna make this from scratch. Okay, so for making this, I'm gonna use a plugin which is called the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. So first install those plugin and come back. Okay, so after that, what we have to do, we have to go to our theme builder from here. Just go to the theme builder and open your theme builder, and from here we have to go to the header, and I'm gonna add a new header here. Okay, so let me add and make the header, and you can make any type of layout for this, and as you can see that when I scroll, my header is changing like this with a little animation. Okay, so our header is open, so let me go here and we're gonna add make the header. So just add a new section here and go to styles, and I'm gonna keep the blue color by default at first. Okay, after that, let's go to advanced, and we're gonna remove all the padding from here. And let's go to container section, and we're gonna define the width for this 1300 pixel. After that, let's add a heading, and this is our logo, suppose. And let's add some padding to the top and bottom. So let me add 20 and 20 like this. Okay, then go to this. Let's style it like that, and let's increase some font size. Okay, let's add some weight, font weight. Okay, so our logo is ready. Let's go to the widget, and we're gonna search here WordPress menu, and let drag and drop and go to container, and from here go to the layout and make a row, space between and center. So it will be center and have the space between. Means okay. If you know the basics of CSS flag box, you will understand. Then after that, add change. Let me change the properties font here, and we're gonna go to transform and make it uppercase, then increase the font, and let's make it 15, and go to color, and I'm gonna keep the white. Okay, so let's decrease some padding. 700 is good, looking good. Okay, so after that, our first header is ready. So let me go here, and what we have to do, we have to duplicate our header two times. So bluish one is our default header, so let's name the header one. And after that, this is our second header which will come after on page scroll. Okay, so let's change its color to red, so it will be easy to understand. Okay, so let me add this red. Okay, so now we have the two header. So what we have to do, we have to go to the header one and go to the advanced, and from here in the CSS class, add a class header one like that. And then again go to header two, go to advanced, and in the CSS class, add header 2 here. Okay, so this is the header 1 class, and this is the header 2 class. After that, go to widgets and search here for HTML, and drag and drop the widget here. Okay, so you have to do one more thing. Go to the header 1 and go to advanced, and in the motion effect, make it sticky at the top. And same for the header 2, go to motion effect and make it sticky at the top. Okay, so it will be sticky every time when when I scroll the page above. Okay, so after that, what we have to do, in the HTML tag, I will give you the code in the video description. So you have to just copy and paste the code from there. Okay, so let me quickly copy and paste the code here. So you can see that for the header 2, we are accessing it, and we are adding a transform property, translate y minus 100%. So it will be above minus 100%. Okay, at first. And we are just accessing the header 1 and header 2 from here by using the JavaScript query selector. I hope you understand. And after that, here we are adding the pixel on page scroll. Means if I scroll 200 pixel, so my second header will come. So if you want to change this height, you have to just add here the value in the pixel. So it's right now 200. So if you want to make the header to appear in the 400 pixel height, so you have to just add here and add the 400. Okay, so I will keep it to 200 for now. Okay, so all the things are ready. So just we have to, let's publish this, and we're gonna publish this in the entire site to save and close. And let me remove my previous header. Go to display conditions, and from here I'm gonna remove the conditions and just save and close. Okay, so I hope let's quickly refresh our front end. Okay, so you can see that our header is changing, but we are having this space here. So for removing the space, what we have to do, we have to go to the header one, just go to advanced and add some negative margin in the EM value. So just to change the pixel to EM and add negative margin to -10. Okay, to keep it -9 according to you. And same for the header too, go to EM and add the negative margin of -9 here too. Okay, so let's update. Okay, so let's refresh our front end final time. Okay, so you can see that right now we have the blue header, and when I scroll 200 pixel height, so my header is changing to red like this. So here, so in this way you can change your header on page scroll in your website. So I hope you understand and like our video. If you like our video, share our videos with your friends, like and share our channel, and I'm gonna see you next time.